Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of idioms with a special focus on books. Did you know there are so many fun expressions related to books in English? Let's explore 10 of them and see how they add life to our language. First, we have a closed book. Imagine a mysterious topic or a person you know very little about. That's what this idiom refers to. For example, quantum physics? That's a closed book to me. How about you? Any closed books in your life? Now, contrast that with an open book. This is someone who is easy to understand because they keep no secrets. Picture your friend who always shares their feelings. Yes, they're an open book. Speaking of understanding people, can you read someone like a book? This idiom means you know exactly what they're thinking or feeling. Maybe it's that friend whose emotions are written all over their face. Next, we have the oldest trick in the book. This is about a sneaky, dishonest action that's been used countless times before. Think of a magician pulling a coin from behind someone's ear. It's classic, but we've all seen it. Let's switch gears to relationships. If you're in someone's good books, it means they're happy with you. Maybe you helped a colleague meet a deadline or brought your teacher coffee. They'll surely put you in their good books. On the flip side, doing things by the book means strictly following rules. Picture a perfectionist who never takes shortcuts. That's them doing everything by the book. Here's another powerful idiom, bring someone to book. It's used when punishing someone for doing wrong. For example, the authorities brought the culprit to book for breaking the law. Ever admired someone so much that you wanted to take a leaf out of their book? This idiom means copying someone's actions because they're successful. Maybe it's adopting your favorite author's writing habits or your boss's organization skills. And here's a classic one. Don't judge a book by its cover. It's a reminder not to form opinions based only on appearances. How many times have we been surprised when a seemingly dull book turns out to be a page-turner? Finally, let's talk about cook the books. Now, this isn't about recipes. It means dishonestly changing accounts to make money. It's a warning to always stay ethical, because honesty is the best policy. And there you have it. 10 idioms about books that make English colorful and expressive. Which one is your favorite? Let me know, and don't forget to try these in your conversations. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of language.